to my channel. As I promised, I will do a video of my Nykaa haul, that is Pink Hot Nykaa sale. So here I am with my box, unboxing it, and I'll show you what I bought. So stay tuned, and yes, long I guess, because I'll discuss all the details of the product which I have bought. So let's get started. First of all, I want to say you that I generally prefer to buy all my makeup on the sale, because generally makeups are very expensive. There is no point buying it on the full price. I generally wait for the sale, so I always try my best to buy products when there is a sale going on, so that I can buy more products with lots and lots of offers. So let's get started without any delay. Let's unbox this cute little box and see what is there inside. First product which I bought is this Wella Thermal Image Heat Protecting Spray. This is a very nice brand, Wella. I have heard a lot about this brand, but this is the first time I'm purchasing a product of Wella, and I really needed a heat protecting spray. Before I was using the L'Oreal one, and it was also very nice, but this time I thought to try Wella. So let's see how it works. But the review of this product is very nice. So अब मेरा अगला product है Garnier Micellar Water. This is again a very nice product. You should never use a wipe on our face to wipe, like to take out makeup, because wipe generally it's very stringy on your face, like it's not good at all. Take it in a cotton pad and put it in your face and it will just come out. It's very easy and doesn't even harm your skin. So my next product is Neutrogena Ultra Sheer Dry Touch Sunblock SPF 50. So this is one of the nicest brand when it comes to sunscreen. Sunscreen of Neutrogena is very nice, very nice. I mean, you can trust in this brand. Skin, it's good for all type of skin. And yeah, this is my third purchase. मेरी अगली product है, this is Bio Oil Skincare Oil. So Bio Oil is generally for scars, stretch marks, uneven tone, skin, aging, dehydration, blah. So it is a very nice oil. I just delivered a baby, so I have scars on my body, some parts of my body. So I really wanted to use this product. I have used this during my pregnancy also, and it was pretty good. Now I have heard that this also works post-pregnancy. I mean, it helps in reducing the scars. So I have again purchased it. Yeah, Bio Oil. So मेरी अगली product है is Laneige Lip Slipping Mask. Again, guys, while the Nykaa sale was going on, I just storied that this is one of my favorite lip mask. I mean lip balm. You can say it's so good. I already have it, but I thought to stock it up, so I have again purchased it. This is one of the nicest product Laneige has. After moisturizer, I must say, after moisturizer, yeah. So guys, all I can say is just go and try this. It's a must buy for everyone. It's a must buy. So guys, check it out. Next product is K-Beauty HD Setting Loose Powder. So it's again very nice. Ouch. Very nice product. I have heard a lot about K-Beauty product. I generally love K-Beauty. I have liners and lip pencils, eyeshadow sticks. So this is my first purchase, and I have heard a lot about this HD setting powder, so I thought to try this out. Whenever I film my next video, I'll surely use this product and give you guys a review, and if you all can buy it or not. Guess what? I have bought this Smashbox, this lipstick. Bought it again because a nice offer was going on, and I thought to stock it up. Because I love this product. I love Smashbox, and I apply it whenever I go out. You don't need much of a makeup, much of a base. It's a very nice color. You can wear it every day. This mini box, it was, when I bought it, it was for $9.99, and it was a great offer. As the Smashbox lipstick is quite expensive, so I forgot to tell you, when I bought this, they had a great offer, and I purchased this, and I bought this free. So my next product is the Sugar Cosmetic Mini Highlighter. The name of the shade is Champagne Gold. You can see This is so soft. I mean, their products are so genuine, highly pigmented, and not that expensive. You all, anybody can purchase and stock it up. I bought this. This is the gel highlighter. It says it's the shade name is Bronze Bellwether. This is my first purchase gel highlighter of Sugar. Such a cute package, guys. Just see. You can see I've just taken this much. Just look at the pigment and just look at the highlight. Amazing. I just love their products. I bought this too. I got this lip color free from Sugar Cosmetics, a brand which Nikki also liked, that is Wet n Wild. This is Wet n Wild highlighter. The name is Blossom Glow. This is one of the most demanded highlighter, like after Nikki used it, I guess. So I also saw Nikki using this, so I thought to try it out. It was in a great offer. Purchased this, and with that I purchased a white kohl lip pencil. So I bought this too. Against that I got this lip liner free from Wet n Wild Cosmetics, but it's not coming. So I got this lip pencil free. मुझे इस दो चीज़ों के साथ मुझे ये एक lip pencil free मिला, and I was so happy, you know. Free gifts are always welcomed. So my next product is NYX Born to Glow Illuminator. So I really always wanted to use, but I never bought it. I don't know why, but this time I thought to purchase it. So I bought this in bronze shade. So it is very good to apply before foundation in the highlighter area. For highlighting parts, this is amazing. Generally NYX products are very good. I mean, all the products, whether it's lip pencils or their palettes or their foundations, they have amazing range of products. उनके products बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छे होते हैं. मतलब you get what you want. So it's never ever disappointing when you buy NYX product. Be sure you'll get what you want. So guys, my next purchase is Rimmel London Natural Bronzer in the shade 025 Sun Glow. It is again my first purchase. I'm purchasing it for the first time. I guess it will work nice because Rimmel products are also very good. This is a very high reviewed product, so I thought to purchase it and see whether it works for me or not. And yes guys, those who doesn't know about bronzer, please, you should use bronzers, or you should use bronzer or blusher according to your requirement, according to where you are going, because if you only put foundation on your face, it looks very flat. I don't know why people think that only looking fair is what makeup means. No, makeup is always used to enhance your features, not to look fair. It's nothing about looking fair. So try this bronzer and just learn how to use it properly, so that your face doesn't look flat and only fair. You should give some dimensions to your face. So I thought to purchase it, and I'll let you know whether it is worth buying or not. So next comes my favorite lipstick, that is a Huda Beauty Demi Matte Liquid Lipstick in the shade Bombshell. I am a big fan of Huda Beauty. They are so amazing. I just love Huda. They want to buy everything Huda Beauty has, like all the products. So forget it. I also bought this lip contour, that is lip liner of Huda Beauty in the shade Flirt. It's a very nice lipstick, and yeah, Huda has a speciality that their lipsticks are very useful in contouring. Like today I've done, you just have to put it a little bit below and a little bit up here, and you just apply your lipstick, and you're good to go. Your lip will not look flat. Like I have a smaller lip, so whenever I apply lipstick, it doesn't, whenever I laugh, my lip is not only visible. So I generally have to contour my lip. So this is the best shade for lip contouring. The shade is Flirt. I prefer this. This is my third purchase. They had an offer going on. If you buy product worth ₹2,000, you will get a lipstick free. So I purchased this two product. Against that, I got this lipstick free.
It was free.
I just love free things. The shade of this lipstick is Shikha. I mean, Nykaa gave me a best offer. I never tried this shade, so this time I'm looking forward to try this shade, how it works. Last but not the least, one of the most nice review. Today's primer is Smashbox Photo Finish Primer. So I've never purchased this. This is my first purchase. I always wanted to try this primer, so I bought this because a great offer was going on with this primer. So this time I thought to try it. Yeah. So with this primer, Photo Finish Primer, this is I guess 12 ml. With this primer, I got this 2 mini size primer, that is Smashbox Primerizer and one Smashbox Water Primer. I got this too, so I thought why not to try it now, because I always wanted to try a different primer. You know, Color Bar also worked wonders, worked great for me, but this time I thought to try something different. Not different, I obviously wanted to try, so I bought that. So yeah, this was all about my hot pink Nykaa sale 2020, and I have showed you all what I purchased. I generally buy everything in on sale so that I get nice offers, and you know, on that MRP I get lots of products. I spent almost 12,000 and I got so many products, and I was so happy. You know, whenever your makeup arrives, it's like I've become so happy. I can't even express how I feel. So yeah, see you until then. Bye.
Please press the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel.